The docking windows approach was added to CSET to maximize the screen space and at the same time have infrequently needed information still available with a slight mouse movement. For those unfamiliar with docking windows, this tutorial will help explain how they work. We will use the document library as an example. To open a closed window, you only need to hover the mouse over it as shown here. It returns to its previous state after you move the mouse away. To keep the window open, click on the pin icon. Let's take a look at the features associated with the docking windows. Once the window is opened, it can be moved off the application and to a new location on your computer screen. It can also be moved to different places in the window. You can see the clickable areas that show up when you click on the top of the window and drag it away from its initial position. When you move the mouse on top of the position, it is highlighted and will move to that location. We'll leave the window on the left side for now. In the upper part of the window, you'll see several icons. The arrow, when expanded, will display options for changing the state and behavior of the window. If you click the floating option, the window will be completely independent of the surrounding screen. This option is useful if you are working on a large monitor and want the screen to be open all of the time. To close this window, click on the X button. To get the window back, we must use the upper menu item called Windows. We open the menu and click on the Document Library window. This brings it back to its original position. The docking option shown is the default state and is marked with a check. It is fixed to a screen location as shown earlier and will open and close based on the position of the pin. The bottom three options in the arrow box are duplicates of other buttons. The tabbed and hide options both close the window, similar to clicking on the X icon. The auto hide is the default behavior and performs the same action as clicking on the pin icon. The final button is the pin, which can be used to either pin it open, meaning that the window is open and fixed on the screen, or unpinning it, which allows it to open and close dependent on where the mouse pointer is positioned. Before we leave this tutorial, let's go to the question screen. Here we can see the potential for several docking windows being opened at one time. The question categories is located on the left, and we can open question information and question details windows on the right. With the document library window included, we could have as many as 4 docking windows available at any given time. This concludes the docking windows tutorial.